review for the Swan Retro Fridge Freezer, model number SR11020. As you can see, it's a lovely red colour and has a really glossy finish, which is lovely. Very chunky handles. And then we'll go inside and have a look at the fridge first of all. As you can see, it's got loads of space. A really nice bottle rack at the top there. A really big salad tray. And you can adjust the shelves so that you can get some tall bottles in there, which is really useful when you've got a family. Okay, let's have a quick look at the freezer. The freezer's got 3 nice deep storage compartments. So again, good if you've got a big family. Store lots of stuff in there. Just have a last look at how it looks outside. I think it looks really retro. And I think probably for a family I'd really recommend this.